Sup guys, it's been a little minute. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're gonna be doing another car show vlog. Yes, another car show vlog it is. And it's nothing crazy. Just gonna do what we do normally and show y'all what, I don't know how much commentary I'm gonna be doing or anything, but I'm gonna just try to keep this intro short. And I'm about to head to the car wash, take some flicks with this dude with this red slammed Ultima that looks fire on some Works wheels. I think they're called VSKS. And yeah, so yeah, about to head in there, and then I'm gonna head with my other homeboy Hunter with the white slammed Hyundai, and I'm just spectating, so I'm just gonna go in his car, but I'm gonna park my whip at his house, and then we're gonna go on with our day. I'm gonna go into the show early with him, and yeah, I'm gonna have a good time, gonna take some video, and just enjoy my time, and bring y'all with me. So I'll see you whenever I'm doing some fun stuff, guys. Oh my goodness, it is hot outside, let me tell you guys. So right now I'm driving to my homie's crib. We're driving together, I'm just following him because I'm gonna drop my car off at his house. We just got done chilling, also with the Ultima, with the Ultima. Like, he's extreme well. He got that car for cheap and he just slammed it. He said his trans oil, where his trans pan has a hole in it. His gas has a hole in it. Everything has a hole in it. He has a crack in the frame or something, in the subframe, bro. Like, oh goodness, but it still looks fire. But like, and then there was a bunch of other fire cars there. I don't think I recorded too much. I don't like just get in people's face with the camera. But next clip's probably gonna be me mobbing, or me just passenger princessing in my homie's car, or just gonna be at the car show. And yeah, we're just gonna be vibing at the car show, and we're gonna have a good time. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna try to get some food, and yeah, we'll see. What's up? It is now 2:43 p.m. We are just sitting behind the whips. That's not my whip. But yeah, I'm gonna do a walk around for you guys sooner or later. I already did a walk around, but we're gonna do another couple walk arounds, and it's nice day out. Don't think it's gonna rain, and yeah, I suck at vlogging. well, sun's pretty much going down. I think it's just 7 o'clock. People are starting to like shoot flames and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna try to leave early because I don't think we're supposed to, but some people has already left early. But yeah, people are shooting flames. But today's been real fun. We're gonna go eat some food, and I feel anything else is worth recording, then yeah, it's definitely been fun, long day. Here, now it's recording.
Where's the button?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're here in Daytona. I'm out here with Thickles and DJ and Hunter.
Yo, yo, yo.
And we at the BWW.
Yeah, she want to be part of the vlog because the vlog wouldn't be like the same without her. So now she's part of the vlog, and yeah, we already seen a lot of stance cars and all that jazz, but we're gonna.
And we got Barry here. Woo!
Yep. Buffalo Wild Wings. It was bussin'. And we went to Bussies. And this is Barry. Yep, she already introduced Barry.
And here's Cherry. Barry was on Cherry, but not no more. Anywho, I gotta show you this car over here. You're gonna love it. You're gonna walk over here to it. Hopefully it's not these Phil's car. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Good old Volkswagen Bug with some eyelashes on it. Look at it. It's just so cute. Whole meet was literally just 3 cars. That's it. That thing's so sick, bro. Oh shit.
I know.